So yes, guys, welcome back to part two. This is part two. Now we're going down to the Valley of Waves, the beach. So of note, please note that this is in a retrospective manner. So part one was supposed to be part three. So it's vice versa. That was supposed to start with the video where I am from the home to going to Sun City. So yeah, do enjoy. Yes, you can see the beach. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Cheers. It's like I don't want to get lost inside there. You see here, you got your maps, a lot of things that you can do. The beach. So I'm wearing this. I think it's good for the beach. I'm in my slippers, not the gym, because I'm not here for the beach. But if I had slow motion, if this is not the beach, I mean this is the real sand. Look at this. No, I don't know why people say this is not the real beach. But if this is not the beach, I don't know then. But let's walk. So you got your ATMs. Still you have your ATMs here. You still have a place where you can change your clothes. Bring your towels, of course. I'm not sure if I'm audible, but this is what it is. You got your spears that side. Play music, beautiful music. So now what's up, I can't enter this. So, guy. So this is the beach. Some people are scared of water, guys. Some people are scared of water. Yeah. So now the wave is about to come. Do you think I should go inside? Get the wave, because it's going to come to me. So, like I said, when you get there, right, you know that that place. When the lions, when the water comes out of the lions, you know that the wave is about to come. Everyone is waiting patiently. So definitely, it's about to come. So you can see the waves about to come. Oh yes. There it is. It's going to come, definitely. Wow. It's going to come. Oh my goodness. Oh. Guys, I'm wet. My jean is now my jean just got wet. So this is it. And it feels real, it really feels like even the breeze, like feels real. So yeah, sometimes it does push you back. Just be careful. You have to make sure that you don't be where it's more deeper, or if it goes deeper, approaching the lions, or the hydro or the pressure side. So it does push back or pull you back. So let's just take a walk, and then from there we will be bouncing. So this is not the whole of Sun City, of course. There are other places that are exclusive. You have to pay an extra amount, like that. I think that one you have to pay an extra amount. The slide there. So there are many things that you can do here. Check on their website, so you can do a lot of things. The beach bar. The beach bar. You can have your alcohol beverages. Of course, you have to be careful. You have to be responsible. You can't drink and be playing inside water. So don't forget your sunscreen, guys. Don't forget your sunscreen. Lotion. I think we'll end it this side. So I don't know what you call these things. trails or what. But you can pay, move around here. I think it's a good place to come with maybe friends and of course your partner, you know. So now, okay, I don't know what's happening on that side. So that side definitely it's got your bathrooms, you got the swimming pool that side, you know. So we come this side. What do we have? Let me check this side, then we bounce. Oh, slides. I think the slides are free. I was just thinking they're not free. I think they are free. Got the lazy river, where you can just chill with your loved one, your loved person, your girlfriend, you know. And it's just, you know, lazy. So that side, I don't know how to enter the side, but that side is the slides there. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the Sun City tour, and now calling it up. So currently, due to COVID, they're not allowing any day visits unless you're a member, MVG club member. Oh, the wave is there. I don't know if you can see it. There. You see, I think that's the most loved thing about it, the waves. And believe me, guys, it's real. Like, it's so refreshing, you know. They're not hyping it. They're not. Until you come here, you realize that they're not hyping it. So, like, guys will ask, how much does it cost to come here? I think it's cheap. It's cheap. It's affordable. Let me not say cheap. It's affordable. So, you can definitely come here, spend a night at 1.8 thousand, and then you can have your transport from Pretoria to here. It's around 110 k's. I'm not sure from Joburg. I think it's around 140, 150. So you can decide. You know, it's northwest Bujanala. So if you're sleeping over, of course, you are going to get what do you call this, a breakfast, you know, complimentary breakfast. And then after the complimentary breakfast, you are going to have to buy your meal. But all in all, there's a clubs, there are strip clubs, entrance is 300. I found out when I went there. So we're waiting for the wave, then we're back. So yeah, that's that. So 3,000 for sleeping. 4,000 for sleeping, of course. And then not 3,000. 1.8 plus 1.8. Yeah, 3,002. You know, 3.2 there, 3.6. Sorry. And then 3.6 transport of 200, and then 1,000 for food. So a 5K, while it's 2 people, can get you here. If you don't have transport, you can catch a taxi, you can come here to Rustenburg, then it drops you off, then there are taxis to drop you here. So the good thing about it is that there are buses, you know, there are buses that will take you, transport you around inside here, so you don't have to worry once you are inside here. So yeah, cheers.